Hey y'all, it's Charity and I'm here showing you this beautiful balloon backdrop that I did. This garland was about 15 feet, give or take, give a little bit obviously. I use neon color so it does kind of glow in the dark. It would really pop if there was a bigger blue light around, but it did what it needed to do. So I'm just going to show you guys the process from beginning to end. This is how it looks with the lights on. Super cute, super beautiful. Complements a big space well. Say you have an open ballroom or something and you need a little bit of the space, you know, nipped, something that kind of contours that. But let's get right into it. I'm just blowing up my balloons. Something that I've been working on is mapping out specifically how many. Starting off, I didn't really know how many, so I would just buy a huge new pack and just kind of keep going from there. With this, I initially started off with a total of 90 balloons for my base. That's what I went with, and I didn't blow those up until I got on site. Also, for the smaller balloons, I have 90 of those as well. I didn't end up blowing any of those up on site. However, I knew that my base balloons, I knew that I would probably, you know, just blow those up as needed. And that's exactly what I did. So here I am taking that's my base. That's what I anticipated on coming up with. So I'm getting my base hung up because I wanted to do a ceiling kind of thing. This is me adding some more fillers. Like, no matter what, you're going to need something to give your, like, so without any fillers, it's basically just a traditional garland, right? And so this was a little bit difficult for me just because I really didn't know what I was going to do with the space. I didn't know where things were going to go. But once I decided on it, I just kind of went full steam ahead. And that's kind of how this goes. And I'm hoping that you're able to see that you kind of got to tweak things and then come back to it. So I'm adding to the body of it, making it more full from basic to bomb. Like, I wish I could move this fast, but I even thought about decorating it or getting it together fully and then putting it up. But the time was kind of creeping on me. So I did do a little bit of it down. But I think once I put it up this final time that I left it up and kind of just started working from there. Also at the bottom, this is a little trick. I used the same thing that I used to make our columns. I brought that there. That's something that if you're doing an install, you can basically leave. It doesn't cost much. I already had it. This is also me kind of trying to debate if I wanted to do the like 6-point starbursts or the starbursts that already come together. And luckily in my bag, I had packed exactly 3 of those already, you know, just blow and go starburst. If you're familiar with balloons, then you know that they're not all that way. Some come individually. You have to blow them up and then put them together for the starburst effect. But I went with the ones that are already filled. Look at my husband. Y'all gonna see him pretty much doing nothing but passing me balloons, and that's fine. I need him there for support, just to be like, hey, what do you think about this? What does this look like? So I appreciate my support. But I'm just adding them on. Like you saw when I did my base, it was all one big piece. And I kind of like doing that instead of sectioning it off and putting them on. I'm attaching these with 260s. Also, I use U-glue dashes for the first time this go round. And I kind of like it. It's better than what I'm used to using, I guess. Well, I guess because I know that it's specifically made for balloons, I feel a little bit better about them. But they are pretty strong. They did what they needed to do. I use those with a couple of my smaller 5-inch to kind of bring that together, and also with some positioning of some balloons. You know how you just get that awkward gap. But again, everything turned out nice. Unfortunately, my hyperlapse phone situation, it went dead, but I managed to pretty much get everything. Probably you only missed a couple of these little 5-inch clusters, and that's fine. I'm super excited with how it turned out. I think it looks amazing. Yeah, I can't complain. I hope this helps you guys in some way, shape, or form. If you are in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, specifically Fort Worth, I guess. I do travel to Dallas or wherever in the Metroplex as needed, but if you need me at any time, I am in Fort Worth and I can make it happen for you. So this is perfect for a Halloween party, a glow party. Actually, this was a Rave to the Grave 30th birthday party, and I think that is a super cute theme. Super cute. People were dressed super cute, like going to a rave. Like it gave everything that it needed to give. I absolutely love it. If you guys want a little bit more balloon tutorial situations, let me know, because I work 7 days a week, but I don't take time to post and do things. Some things I don't think is worth it, but yeah.